Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to MC at RTP. My name is Dania Balqis, and in this episode of Infrequency, I would like to tell you guys a story that is called From Fear to Freedom. So, my mother used to tell me, learn how to drive. It's an important skill. One day you'll thank yourself. And I believed in her. Well, sort of. So I signed up for driving lessons, full of nervousness and excitement. But then one day during practice, I kind of almost hit another car. I mean, it wasn't a real accident, but it was close enough. And my hands were trembling, my heart was racing, and from that day on, I swore I'd never drive again. The fear kind of took me over completely. So for years, I just watched. I'd watch my parents drive, my friends drive, and even people younger than me. And I'd think, how do they do it? I mean, it looks so hard. Just being in that driver's seat made me nervous, and I convinced myself that driving was just not for me. And honestly, I was comfortable depending on others until one day that comfort turns into helplessness. So what happened was I was stranded. I was late for a very important class because at that time I had a presentation and nobody could pick me up. And I'm the type of person who hates being late. It makes me anxious and restless. So sitting there with my phone in my hand, just watching the minutes pass, I felt completely powerless. And that's when something clicked. I realized that the only thing that's stopping me was my own fear. So that day, I made a promise to myself that I will learn. So the first few lessons were terrifying, sweaty palms, shaky hands, but slowly that fear turned into excitement, and that excitement became confidence. Now, when I drive, I don't just see the road. I see freedom, I see independence, and I see the version of myself that I always wanted to be. And the thing is that I learned that courage doesn't mean you're never scared. It means you choose to move forward anyway. That is all from me. Thank you.